Electro kit. Building electric circuits. Place components on the board to create circuits. Measuring electric potential. Connect voltmeters in parallel to measure potential. Series and parallel topologies. Practice building different types of circuits. Measuring electric current. Connect ammeters in series to measure electric current.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Electro kit app. In order to place items on the board, first select them in the set, then click on the board. Alternatively, you could also drag items onto the board. You can also replace an item on the board with a different one. First, select the new item, then click on the item to be replaced. Click on this icon in order to show or hide the resistance or the potential of items in the circuit. Click on the switch in order to close or open the circuit. Drag an empty area of the board to move all the items together. Drag an item in order to move it, or you can also replace another item with it. Click on the bin icon if you wish to delete items one by one. Click on the home icon in order to clear all items from the board. Connect the voltmeter in parallel to a load. Close the circuit to make the voltmeters display the potentials. If you wish to see an item's attributes, select it by clicking. If you change the attributes of an item in the circuit, it will immediately affect the other components as well. If you cause a short circuit, the battery will be damaged. If you fix the circuit, the battery will work again. Connect the ammeter in series to a load. If necessary, place more resistances into the circuit. To insert the circuit into mozaBook in its current state, click on this icon, then select in what format you wish to insert it. If you overload the circuit, its components will be damaged. If you wish to receive further information about our apps, please visit our website.